Once you have your data set loaded up, the very first thing that you'd like to do is to get to know your frame, both your frame of reference, which is nothing but your use case for the data set, and the data frame as such. So let's look at the shape of the data set. 398 observations spread across 9 variables. And we'll look at the first few entries in the data set. These are the first 5 entries by default. We can change the number of entries that we'd like to see using the n argument. We could also look at the last few entries in the data set using the tail function. Or for that matter, I could take a sample of the data set and I can choose the size of the sample. We could also look at the info function here. What that does is it gives us the null entries in the data set and also the type of the data that is stored in each variable. One of the early functions that you'd like to also look at is the describe functions. It gives you a collection of summary statistics on your data set. Here we could also end up including the categorical variables by using the include argument. Well, there you have it. This is how you get to know your frame.